Welcome back, guys. It's a new day and time for a new lot walk. Hang on, I'll be right back.
Friday night, leaving now, liquor up, it's going down. Back on back, big box, Chappelle, ramming up, raising hell, pick a spot just for two. Baby, I can't stop looking at you. I wanna know what's on your mind. Rest our time in the backseat of my car. Yeah, you know what I'm thinking.
All right, so welcome back, guys. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to be walking around this lot, pointing out all the new cars that came in. We posted 12 this morning, and I've already got 7 test drives done, so that means I've still got some to do for this week. If they haven't popped up just yet today, they'll be up tomorrow. So we're going to go ahead and get started. What I'll do is walk by each and every one of these new cars, just like this one, tell you the year, the price, and we'll keep moving. We'll also walk back through one more time before we end the video, and then I'm going to get back to doing test drives where we take them down the road, pointing out any kind of chips, scratches, flaws. How do they run? How does it steer? Does it stop? And how fast does it go? Look on maplemotors.com at the detailed pictures we provide, almost 100 of them. We have financing, we have shipping available for you. And of course, if I don't mention a car in here, that means it's not available. With all that in mind, hit subscribe, share. That helps me out, keeps these videos going for you. Let's get started. Up here in the corner, we're gonna go across the front row first. Jump down off this wall. 1930 Ford sedan with an LS motor, AC on this car, $29,900. The next one right next to it, this one's $31,900, a 1955 210, blue and white with the white interior. Right next to that, a 1966 Dodge Coronet. This one just came in, new inventory, $26,900. Drop the top, hit the road. That's a nice cruiser right there. This is one of them I'm gonna have to do the video on today, a 1973 Roadrunner, $20,900. Beautiful paint job. Looking sweet. Right next to that, 73 Challenger, $22,900. Holds on the windshield. Hold policy here is you send $1,000 to try to get financed to get us the rest of the money. It's a non-refundable deposit. Make sure you're gonna be able to buy the car. Don't send it. We don't want your money if you're not gonna be able to buy it. So hold don't mean sold till the rest of the cash is out. That's one of the mottos here. How about a 71 Chevelle? This one's built, it's fast, $31,900. So today is Monday, and we just updated the website. We do that every Monday at 11 o'clock. If you want to be first to see what we got without having to wait for the videos, go to maplemotors.com. I know I say that a lot, but I have to. Some people don't even know that website exists. So I want you to go there, check it out. And we also got that Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok that we post on almost every day. Pretty much every day, except for the weekdays or weekends. Saturday, Sunday, I like taking off. How about a 62 Olds Starfire? These cars are very unique, very cool on the inside. Just watch the test drive video and see for yourself. I'm sure a few of y'all have owned these in the past. We've got this one sitting up here for $19,900. This one sold out this morning. I can't even show it to you. How about a 1939 Master Deluxe? This was $25,900 with the hold on the window. Right next to that, a 72 Dodge Challenger. This one's $21,900. Excuse me. Right next to that was a 66 Chevelle we've already sold. 31.9 was a 4-speed car. We do have this 1971 Buick Riviera. That's like floating on a cloud. This one is 17.9. Look at the back of this. Tell me that this ain't awesome. The whole back end of this car looks like a spaceship. And we do have the wagon. It's going to be available. It's not available yet. I know y'all been waiting on it, but it's not available yet. This one's already sold. It was a 70 Charger. I've also already sold this Camaro here. It was a 99 Camaro for 20 grand. Low miles. The wagon definitely been a hit. Lots of people calling. It will be available. I'll have a test drive video out and we'll let you know everything about it. Right next to that, 1972 Chevelle 31.9. Okay, let's go on over to Pops' Hot Wheels room. We got some more cars out here to look at. I'll tell you about. We haven't even hit this row over here. We've also got a nice truck sitting here. We'll look at it real quick. Just picked it up. This is going to be a sweet ride. I think this was like a 48 and it's 29.9. Actually test driving it today. As soon as I get done with this video, it'll be one of the first ones. I love this truck. Beautiful. Sitting way up in the air, 4x4. That thing's got it going on. All right, let's go on over to the Hot Wheels room and see what else we can find. We're gonna end up coming back out to the lot, so stay tuned. So if you come to Maple Motors, remember, there is a collection of Hot Wheels cars right next door. All you have to do is ask Pops, say, hey man, I want to go over there and look at that collection. You can come in and buy any of this stuff anytime you come up here. Check him out, Jim Fights Hot Wheels channel, right here on YouTube. He's been doing this a long time. I know I started helping him when I was younger, doing the flea markets every month. And now he's got his own little stores, so come in, ask for Pops, and say, show me the Hot Wheels. Let's get back out there. Off in the showroom. Of course, all these cars back here are not available anymore. These are already sold. My dad's just getting some stuff fixed on this one. It's a 69 Camaro. He's keeping that personal. This one's already sold. Old GTO. And Jason needs to take this car home and start getting the paint job ready. So those are personals. Same with the Mustang over here. I am kind of curious if he's willing to sell this one, because it's been in here a few times. He may be thinking about going ahead and selling that one. So you may see that pop up on the channel. This one right here, how about a 67 Firebird with an LS motor. This has got a 6-speed transmission, 32.9. And the video is out. I just put it out this morning. That was a pretty good test drive. This is a nice car, pretty much all the way around, inside and out. Good deal. I've also got some bikes we picked up. I'm not 100% sure on these because we don't ever get motorcycles in. So I don't know if they've listed them on the website yet, because we actually just don't buy bikes. So you may see both of those popping up on there in the next couple of weeks. You can also call and we'll tell you a little bit about them. Some of the guys in there know more than I do on these bikes. Look below in the description if you want to give us a call. We're getting ready to walk up that way, but before we do that, how about a 1969 Bug? This one right here is 12.9. Got the pinstriping all the way around it. Got the surfboard in the passenger seat. He's grooving. You can tell that's from Tennessee. So definitely check that out at maplemotors.com. Let me know if you like it. Coming on up the row here. Just listed this one. Got a Corvette here with T-tops, 13.9, white interior. And I believe I've already done the video on this one. 82 model. About 79 Trans Am, 20,900. New inventory. That thing runs and drives awesome. Gotta love the bird. Right next to that, just picked this one up, 65 Mustang, already on hold. New inventory, it's 19.9. It was a convertible that we had for, I don't know, just this morning. We just posted it, so already on hold. We do got this 66 model convertible sitting right here, and I do believe it's available, 24.9. What about the Camaro? 1967 model Camaro. Video is out. I just listed it this morning. 29.9. I've also got the 65 Nova. 24.9. Of course, right behind that, a 67 Pontiac Le Mans, 24.9. You can still see my spot from the GoPro out in the window. You want to see what I use to make these videos, look below in the description. I got Amazon links to all of it. Right here behind that is a 66 Pontiac GTO with a 4-speed. This one's 39.9. All right, we're gonna walk around the lot one more time. We did go over all the stuff that we just got in this week. Like I said, we posted 12 cars. That's actually 2 more than normal. We just had a lot to get ready, so went ahead and posted a few more extra this month, or this week. Probably do the same thing next week. Coming back across the front row again, we'll go this way, head all the way around the lot. We are a family business, 39 years. We have financing, we have shipping available for you. All you have to do is go to maplemotors.com. I say that a lot. Put it at the beginning and the end and the description. You need to give us a call, 615-822-4444. That's also below. If you want to see individual test drives of every single car on the lot, all you have to do is type in the year, the model, and Maple Motors in the YouTube search bar, and it'll pull up. That's one of them we forgot. 79 Beetle convertible, 12.9. But we do that trying to honestly represent all of the cars that we have, so people that are out in California, Texas, New York, feel comfortable purchasing a car from us, and that has come a long way over the last couple years, especially with the YouTube outlet. A lot of people are repeat buyers now, and that works. All the music at the beginning is created by me and my band. You can check that out at Southgate Production here on YouTube. Or just type in Nick Southgate on any music platform and it'll pop up. I think I got about 10 songs out right now. And if you like some of our merchandise, we've got some cups out, we've got a lot of t-shirts, we've got hoodies. That's also below in the description or at my main website. So pick you up some stuff for Christmas for your family members that are always watching the channel, and I do appreciate that. If you come in person and you see me, I may just give you a free shirt. I try to take care of everybody that's watching the channel, so. Here soon, probably next week, I'm gonna list my vet, go ahead and sell it. So be looking for that to pop up on the website. I've also decided to sell this Tahoe. I've been driving it. My wife was driving it, and I got her a Jeep, and now it's just kind of sat in my driveway, so I don't really need it anymore. I need to go ahead and sell it. Be listing it next week as well.
66.
Okay, we've walked the lot. Any other questions? You know what I'm going to say. Go to maplemotors.com. Give us a call, 615-822-4444. We are all family. We will help you out. If you come into Maple Motors, a lot of people will walk around. We leave you at peace. We let you walk around without salesmen running out here and chasing you down. Don't be afraid to come in the office. If you want to look at a car, if you want to buy a car from us, come in the office and we will definitely take care of you. Some people get confused because we're not a normal car lot. A lot of people treat this as a car show when they come up here, so we just let them be. Leave them at peace. Let you walk around without being hassled. It gets confusing sometimes. I've had people say that, you know, bad things about that, but that's just the way we are. And I have come to learn you can't please everybody in this world. That's just how it is. With that being said, I do appreciate you watching. There's my father right there. Don't forget to hit subscribe, share, hit like. That helps me out, and I appreciate it in advance. I'll see you in the next video. I'm about to be making some more test drives. Later, guys.
The least favorite, 65, 66 is good. They'll take 67. It's probably 67.